we are kicking things off with some massive trading signals today. Traders need to pay attention because we are tracking whale activity across the market. Specifically, we are looking at the significant put options sweep observed in TTD, where 112 contracts were bought and sold at a $25 strike, signaling a potential shift in sentiment for this stock as it heads toward its January 2027 expiration. This unusual volume and pricing action could be the key to unlocking the next big move in this security, so stick around to see what this whale activity really means.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we dive deep into the massive infrastructure plays shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Reports are flooding in showing that Anthropic has made a huge commitment, reportedly $200 billion over 5 years, to Google Cloud for essential compute capacity and custom chips. This isn't just chatter. It's a massive strategic alignment that puts Alphabet right at the epicenter of the AI revolution, showing how hyperscale deals are reshaping the entire tech landscape. We break down exactly what this means for Alphabet's future. But the AI story doesn't stop there, because the infrastructure backbone is performing incredibly well. We are looking at the staggering success of Google Cloud, which has seen its revenue surge by 63% year-over-year in the first quarter of 2026, with operating income tripling. This explosive growth is fueled by enterprise demand for AI tools, and Alphabet's massive cloud backlog is providing incredible revenue visibility for investors. Get ready to see the numbers behind this infrastructure flywheel. And finally, we uncover the ultimate smart money move. 7 billionaires are all betting big on one quantum computing powerhouse, and it is not IonQ or D-Wave Quantum. We're revealing why Alphabet, with its leadership in quantum AI and its position in the broader tech ecosystem, is the common denominator in these massive investments. Do you want to know what these 7 investors are really looking for? Don't miss out on this breakdown. Subscribe now and join our community for the deepest market insights. Traders are being alerted to significant whale activity in the communication services sector during today's trading session, highlighting potential new opportunities. Whale activity, defined as large transactions by entities with substantial capital, is being tracked to identify moments where market estimations for options diverge from their normal values, potentially leading to hyperbolic or underperforming price levels. The analysis focuses on specific options activity observed in the market. For TTD, Nasdaq TTD, observers noted a put option sweep with neutral sentiment. This activity involved 112 contracts traded at the $25 strike, expiring on January 15, 2027, with a 249-day time to expiration. The total cost received by the writing party amounted to $34,000, reflecting a price of $306 per contract. This involved 112 new contract transactions against 606 open contracts at that strike. In the technology sector, GOOGL, Nasdaq, GOOGL, showed a put option trade indicating bullish sentiment. 7 contracts were traded at the $260 strike, expiring on December 17, 2027, with 585 days remaining. The writing party received a total of $25,100, translating to a price of $3,595 per contract. This involved 7 new contract transactions against 553 open contracts at that strike. This information is compiled from an options activity scanner and is intended to help traders monitor unusual market movements. The global stock market is showing significant momentum, fueled by a surge in artificial intelligence spending, which is enabling major tech giants like Alphabet and Amazon to successfully tap into global bond markets. This trend highlights the growing financial implications of the AI revolution across major corporations. In the Indian market, investor attention remains focused on key financial indicators and sector trends. While specific daily movements for the Sensex and Nifty are being tracked, underlying themes suggest a robust environment for growth, though specific stock performance data for SBI, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Wipro, and NTPC is under active observation. Beyond market activity, several discussions are shaping the investment landscape. Questions are being raised regarding the role of securities market codes in addressing gaps within existing stock market regulations. Furthermore, shifts in investment strategy are evident, with speculation surrounding the strategic pivot of Jio BlackRock towards investor engagement. Other notable topics include the massive scale of Indian equities, powered by 98 million systematic investment plan accounts, and broader economic discussions surrounding budget planning and the future of the auto sector for first-time buyers. Expert analysis continues to focus on navigating these evolving financial and regulatory terrains. Anthropic, the developer behind the Claude AI model, has reportedly committed $200 billion over 5 years to Google Cloud for enhanced compute capacity and custom chips. This development highlights the intense reshaping of hyperscale infrastructure deals in the AI era, with Alphabet positioned centrally. Anthropic trains its models using a diverse hardware mix, including AWS Trainium, NVIDIA GPUs, and Google's TPUs. The partnership has already seen significant expansion, with a deal involving up to 1 million TPUs and a goal to bring 1 gigawatt of capacity online this year, further cemented by a recent agreement with Broadcom to secure substantial next-generation TPU capacity by 2027. This ongoing relationship serves as early validation for the competitive viability of TPUs in frontier model training. This strategic alignment underscores the dramatic transformation of Google Cloud, which has evolved from a lagging segment into one of Alphabet's fastest-growing and most profitable divisions. In the first quarter of 2026, Google Cloud reported $20 billion in revenue, marking a 63% year-over-year increase. This acceleration is fueled by robust enterprise demand for AI infrastructure, data analytics, and Gemini-powered tools, leading to a tripling of operating income to $6.6 billion and expanded margins reaching 33%. Crucially, the strength of Google Cloud is reflected in its massive backlog, which doubled quarter over quarter to over $460 billion at the end of the first quarter. This backlog provides Alphabet with exceptional revenue visibility through locked-in customer commitments. Regardless of the precise valuation of the rumored Anthropic deal, Alphabet is clearly positioned as a core beneficiary of the accelerating AI build-out. Alphabet is aggressively investing hundreds of billions annually in data centers and proprietary silicon development while simultaneously monetizing this capacity through long-term contracts. Coupled with strong cash flow from Search and YouTube, the company maintains the capital necessary to lead amid fierce competition. For long-term investors, Alphabet presents a compelling case: a proven AI-native cloud platform gaining market share, proprietary chips that enhance margins, and a valuation that remains attractive relative to its growth trajectory. Investing in Alphabet is framed not merely as a bet on current hype, but as ownership in the foundational infrastructure set to power the next decade. 7 billionaires are heavily investing in quantum computing, and the focus is not on pure-play quantum firms like IonQ or D-Wave Quantum, but rather on Alphabet, the parent company of Google. This suggests that for major investors, Alphabet offers a lower-risk pathway to profit from the transformative potential of quantum computing. The analysis indicates that Alphabet appeals to these wealthy investors primarily due to its proven growth trajectory, strong cash flow, and established competitive moat. Key figures in this investment trend include Charlie Munger, who reportedly let Lilu manage a significant portion of his family's fortune, with Alphabet as a top holding in his Himalaya capital management portfolio, totaling over $1.59 billion at the end of 2025. Bill Ackman, through his Pershing Square Capital Management hedge fund, holds Alphabet shares. Furthermore, 4 other billionaires, including Ken Griffin, Israel Englander, Philippe Lafont, and Li Lu, have made substantial investments in the stock. Alphabet's position in the quantum space is significant. Its Google Quantum AI team achieved quantum supremacy in 2019, and the company demonstrated the first logical qubit prototype in 2023. The Willow quantum processor also achieved a breakthrough last year, successfully running a verifiable algorithm beyond the capability of the fastest available supercomputers. While Alphabet's appeal is rooted in its diversified success across AI, Google Cloud, Gemini AI, and autonomous driving, it also provides exposure to the quantum revolution without the high volatility associated with pure-play quantum stocks. The report cautions that investors should not invest based solely on another investor's success, but should instead analyze the underlying reasons for such investments. The article concludes by suggesting that while Alphabet is a compelling vehicle, investors should also consider other high-growth opportunities, referencing a list of 10 potential stocks identified by the Motley Fool stock advisor.